Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD freezing when opening large drawings using the easy method. This is a great way to clear out the opening lag on your troubleshooting session so your heavy blueprint sheets open up instantly without getting stuck. Step 1. Turn off the Drawing Recovery Notification Manager. The first step is to open your main application settings box and disable the tool that constantly searches your computer drives for old crashed files every time you open a new folder. Move your pointer down to the empty typing box at the bottom of your screen, type the word Options, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the tab marked Open and Save at the top of the new panel, look down for the section about file safety, and change the file check rules. Because when you try to open a heavy sheet, the software works way too hard trying to build a list of older recovered files at the exact same time. You have to turn off this automatic checking behavior so your computer can focus all its energy on loading the single file you clicked. Without this step, your machine will run out of memory power and freeze up before the file even displays on your monitor. Step 2. Turn down your graphic acceleration settings. Now you need to go back inside your drawing screen and change your visual configuration path so the system stops trying to load advanced smooth lines before the file is fully open. Move back to your bottom typing line, type the word Graphics Config, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, and look at the setup choices inside the small pop-up box. Look for the top drop-down menu or main switch, move it from the highest setting down to the basic or standard mode, and tap the OK button to save your choice. Because rendering heavy shadows, smooth edges, and realistic textures inside a massive file takes up an enormous amount of live visual power right at startup, by shifting your performance path to a basic setting, you tell the computer to load a simple wireframe view first, instead of a heavy, pretty picture. It is the key step to getting the right output because it prevents your screen card from crashing under a heavy load. Step 3. Use the Recover command to open and repair the file at the same time to finish the setup. The final step is to stop using the regular Open button and instead use a specialized recovery tool that bypasses the broken loops inside your heavy data file to pull it open safely. Click the main big letter logo button in the top left corner of your screen, move your mouse down to Drawing Utilities, select the option that says Recover, and pick your heavy file name from your Documents list. Click the Open button inside the Recovery tool, let the progress bar fill up completely, and click past the final text summary window that appears on your screen. Because heavy files that freeze your screen often have tiny hidden errors or broken lines buried deep inside their data code. By using this recovery pathway, you force the software to find and delete those glitchy data pieces on the fly as it pulls the layout onto your screen. Once the repair run is finished, your file will open smoothly at maximum speed, and your workspace will be perfectly active. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD freezing when opening large drawings, you must first type Options to turn off the recovery notification list. Next, you use the Graphics Config command to switch your acceleration to Basic to clear out visual weight. Finally, you use the Recover tool under Drawing Utilities to open and repair your file at the same time to finish the setup. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.